Hey everyone, today we'll be doing a leaf binary tree problem, sum of left leaf. So it's very easy problem. You can even try it on your own. But see, in this, what we have to do is like a pointer to the root is will be given. Okay, basically a binary tree will be given. We have to just sum up the nodes that is left and leaf. Okay, that's a left child and it's a leaf. Okay, so for every node we just need to check the three condition. If it satisfies the three condition, that will be calculating the sum of that. Okay, first that should be a left child. Okay, for any node it should be a left child of its parent. Okay, it can't be a right child. Like in this example we are just calculating the 15 plus 9, that will be 24. Okay, we are not calculating this 7. Okay, so it should be a left child and it should be a leaf. Like it should left, the node left and right child should be null. So in this tree we can see like 9 is a left child of its parent 3 and 9 have both its left and right child as null, and similarly to 15 is a left child of its parent 20 and its left and right child of 15 it's null, and 7 is not a 7 is a leaf but it's not a left child of its parent 20, so we'll not be calculating the sum of this. Okay, now finally we'll be returning the sum of these two. Okay, that's 9 plus 15. Okay, and in the example 2 you can see just 1 is given, so it's not satisfy the left child condition, so we'll be returning the initial value of the sum, that is 0. Since we have to return a sum, so we'll be declaring like a int sum. Okay, so that we don't have to pass it to another function, so we'll declare it as a globally. Okay, now if the n we'll be checking the coordinate condition over here, like if my root is equal to null. Okay, so we'll be directly returning the sum value from here itself. Okay, then we'll be calling user defined function. Let's say we'll be doing a pre-order traversal, that will be root left right. So in the root part we don't have to perform any operation, just we'll be moving to the left and the right. Okay, so pre-order traversal, and we'll be passing root plus we'll be also pointing like if it's a left child or not. So first it is not a left child of its parent, so we'll be keeping a pointer over here, like a flag or something you can keep. Okay, I'm going to keep a true or false value. Like for the first one it will be false, then coming to this 9 node it will be true since it is a left child of its parent. Similarly for 20 it will be false, then 15 it will be true, and 7 it will be false. Okay, so initially I'll be passing false because the root is not a left child, so, and we'll be ultimately returning the sum value. Okay, after calculating it. Now we'll be defining a user defined function, that is a pre-order traversal, and we'll be receiving the tree node as a root and a boolean value, will be calling as a flag. Okay, now if my three condition satisfies, then we'll be calculating the sum. So the three condition is like root dot left value should be null, and the root dot right value should be equal to null, and it should be a left child. So its parent, it should be a left child of its parent, so flag should be true. Okay, since we are already initializing like a flag with the true and false for all the things. Okay, so flag should be true. Okay, so if my flag is true, then we will, if this three condition satisfies, then sum will be equal to root dot value. Okay, we'll calculate the sum value. Else if my we'll be checking for the left and right child. If it has a left child, So root dot left, it's not equal to null, then we'll be calling it pre or traversal and root dot left. Since we have just called the root dot left, means the child that we will be, the node that we'll be getting will be left child of its parent, so we'll be passing true to this. And similarly we'll be checking for the right child, so root dot right, if it's not equal to null, then we'll be pre-order traversal, that will be root dot right, and since it is a right child of its parent, so we'll be passing the value false. Okay, and yeah, this will in recursion we just have to take care of the first thing. Okay, the other thing will automatically be taken care of. So you, in the first few nodes, just you have to take care of the things. Okay, so we should check with all the test cases. Okay, it should be void, it's not returning anything. Okay, void. So a sum we have taken as a global variable, so we don't have to return sum over there. Okay, now checking for all other test cases. Yeah, it has successfully run. So if you have any doubt, please put it in the comment section, and if you are new to the channel, please do consider subscribing the channel and do check out other videos that have already been uploaded. Okay, thank you.